Hello everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I am here with a birthday challenge entry from Suzanne Young. Hi Suzanne, I got your package. Suzanne was messaging me to see if I got my package, and I just hadn't been to the post office yet. Not the post office, we have kind of like this mom and pop. I'm opening it right now while I'm talking to you guys. We kind of have like this little mom and pop place down the street from us where they do a lot of postal service, and like you can do FedEx stuff there, and you can do post office stuff there, and they have like a little gift shop inside. It's kind of cool. But we had not been since the weekend, and we finally got in there today. My hubby, I'm having a hard time opening this. My hubby got in there today and was able to get some packages. So we had quite a few in there. So I'm gonna open as many as I can. I'm gonna try not to have the videos go over about 10 or 15 minutes. And if they start getting long, I'll just do a brand new video. So this is Suzanne's. Look how pretty. Look at all the pretty crinkle paper. And I see a bow and that beautiful rusty colored glitter envelope. We have a card. And let's see what it says. You guys, it's Friday night and I'm so happy it's Friday. We did have a 3-day weekend last weekend, but I was on call and I was getting pages from doctors who were not able to assign themselves as attending physicians in the hospital, and they weren't able to be selected as admitting physicians, and some other providers had trouble e-prescribe or electronically prescribing controlled meds. And boy, it was one heck of a busy weekend. And then a busy week too, because like after a weekend, like a lot of the offices, like credentialing and all that stuff is closed. And so Monday comes and you have to contact them and say, hey, look, we had this provider who had this issue. Can you look into their privileges? Because I have to temporarily give them access until the credentialing department can come in on the following Monday to see what happened, because that should come from them, Anyway, I'm going off track. Let's see. Thank you for hosting this challenge. It made this newbie comfortable to enter. Aww, I've been crafting for years, but it's only my second challenge. I hope you enjoy your goodies. Sue Young. I'm sure I will, Sue. I am so honored that you entered. That's so awesome. And look at her beautiful card, you guys. It's so pretty. How beautiful. I love that. So we have her beautiful card. We'll see if we can get it to stand up in the corner. It wants to slip. Okay, and then look at this beautiful crinkle paper with the pretty iridescence. And let's see. Oh, how pretty. This bag is so pretty. I love it. This looks like it's her ATC card. So let's open that. I want to show you guys this bag though. I love swans, you guys. Look how pretty that is. That is so cute. I wonder where she got that from. Okay, so let's look at, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful, Sue. I love it. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Let's read a little bit about Sue. Her obsessions, she wrote. Swans, bows, bubblegum beads, paper, glitter cardstock, pretty things, charms. Her colors are pink, gold, and mint. Me too. And I also like the addition of lavender too. Her birthday is May 19th. And her Insta is Suzanne.Young37, which I'm definitely going to put down below. And I've been talking to her on Instagram, and she is so new to Instagram. I don't think she has many followers. So if you guys would please check out her Instagram and go give her a follow. Okay, so let's look, and she's from Wisconsin. Let's look at what came in the box. So let's see, we have this little, well, I'm just flinging crinkle paper everywhere. Let me put some more right out here. Okay, so look at this beautiful envelope. That's so pretty. It's got like glitter on it. It's got that pretty glitter heart. And let's see what's inside here. Oh, we have some pretty die cuts. Okay, we got everything. Happy, happy. These are so pretty. Thanks. Can you guys hear my husband talking to my cat? Oh, happy Thanksgiving. Can you guys hear my, listen. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's so funny. These are so pretty. Yeah, they say happy Thanksgiving. Those are so beautiful. I love the font on that. Really, really pretty. Okay. I keep wanting to grab at this bow, but it's like below things, so it won't come out. Okay, so here, oh, look, it looks like these are attached. This is attached. That's why it's not coming out. Hold on. Can you guys hear him? Okay. So it looks like these maybe are the papers, and then we have some flowers. Let's see. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Wow, look at those, you guys. So pretty. I love those. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful, Sue. I love it. Those are so pretty. Are those rolled? Those are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love those. Okay, let's see. And then we have, look at this beautiful bow, you guys, with the pumpkins and the glitter. This must be her paper. And it's like, I don't even want to open it because look, it's like tight and it's just so pretty. Okay, let's see. I will open it. Okay. I love how everything coordinates. Like, you can tell that she did the envelope to the card with this paper here. That's so pretty. And then she's got like a, oh, I'm looking at it upside down. Okay, so that must be her, the back must be her specialty papers. Okay, so we have beautiful pumpkin paper. This is so pretty. Oh, she did way more than 6. Look how pretty these are, you guys. Oh, I love this color. And this, I love the mustard yellows. You guys know I love the mustard yellows. So beautiful. Love this. I love this color combination. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love that rose gold with that pink. And then you've got the rose gold paper and the rose gold glitter. And then it moves more into like a gold and copper. That's so beautiful. And we've got the flowers, and then let's see, we have a little bag here. Look how everything is just wrapped so sweet. Okay, and then in here, I'm gonna let these fall because I don't know what they are. Oh, it looks like they're die cuts. I wanna make sure I get them all out. Yep, we got them all. Look how pretty. Love that. I love that die that you use because it has that pretty stitching, and the papers you use is so pretty. This is such a beautiful color combination with the pinks and the rose gold and the copper, with the sage and the dark teal and the mustard yellow. And then she also has included these beautiful pumpkin stems. So there's glitter ones. And there's, oh, this paper's so pretty. What paper is this, Sue? This is such beautiful paper. It's like a brushed metal gold. Just look at these beautiful, beautiful cutouts. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Are these a die? These must be a die. Wow, so pretty. Maybe you could tell us where you got these, Sue. I'm sure people are gonna ask me. So beautiful. Love that. Those will be very fun to put on projects. Such a beautiful color palette you chose here. Okay, we have another bag here. And let's see, in here, we might have more die cuts. I'm gonna let these also fall, but I'm not gonna let them touch the sticker this time. Oh my gosh, Sue! Let's see if we got them all. We did. Oh my gosh. These are all leaves, you guys. Oh my gosh, so you have to tell us where you got these dies, if they're dies, because look how pretty they cut out, you guys. Look how they stitch every detail of the leaves. These are so pretty. And like I said, you picked the most beautiful fall color palette. This is absolutely gorgeous. And look how she did the glitters. It's just so stunning. This is so beautiful. Oh, I love that like latte color. And then she's got that gold again. Oh my gosh. So pretty. These are just absolutely beautiful. I think I've gone through all the different shapes. Wow, I'm gonna leave these here so you guys can just kind of see them. Because if I go through every single one, we'll be here forever. Those are so pretty. Okay, here we have got a little package here. I'm just gonna untie it. Okay, oh my gosh, we have a beautiful pen. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, it has a little coffee on it. What is that charm? That's a leaf and a pumpkin. It's like a little pumpkin spice latte pen, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. I have some of these pens and I need to make some pens with some beads. Maybe I'll do that as gifts for Christmas. This is so pretty. I love this. Look at that. Can you just imagine yourself writing with that bling pen? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, Sue. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, and then she made some pie shakers, you guys. Oh my gosh. And look at the sticker on the back. How pretty. I have this die and I haven't played with it yet. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at those. So beautiful. And she used, it looks like she used like maybe, did she use diamond dots? It looks like, I know she used like some seed beads and sequins and maybe even gemmies. These are so pretty. Let me hold them close so you can see. And look at that beautiful ribbon, you guys. Oh my, or bow, I should say. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Those are so cute. Absolutely love that. You did such an amazing job. And then you guys, inside, she has the cutest little fall bits. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They kind of remind me of like a cute vase filler, but they're like plastic, and there's pumpkins and there's acorns and there's other acorns. And then there's like or yellow acorns and yellow pumpkins. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Let me just make sure I didn't forget anything because I would just be mortified. Okay, I think we got everything. I think we're good. Okay, guys, definitely gonna put her information below, but please follow Suzanne.young37 at Instagram if you wouldn't mind. Give her some love. Go give her a follow. She's brand new to Instagram, and we all know what it was like if we have Instagram or we have YouTube, what it was like when you were just starting out. It's not easy to, you know, get friends on here. So spread the word. Check her out. Thank you so much, Sue. What a beautiful, beautiful entry. You are so talented. Thank you so much for feeling comfortable enough to send this. I truly appreciate it. It means so much to me. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.